Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hamza. I am from batch 53 and the personality on which today I will talk is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique, the first Caliph of Islam. Introduction. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique was the first Caliph of Islam and the closest companion of Prophet, peace be upon him. His real name was Abdullah ibn Abi Quhafa, but he was famously known as Abu Bakr. He is remembered as a model of faith, humility and leadership. Because of his honesty, he earned the title of Siddiq. His contribution towards Islam, whether during the lifetime of Prophet or his own caliphate, are unparalleled. Talking about his early life, he was born in Makkah in 573 CE, just 2 years after the birth of Prophet, peace be upon him. He belonged to the tribe Quraysh. He was a wealthy businessman and major portion of his wealth was used for charitable purposes even before his accepting Islam. He was honest in his dealings and that was the reason of his successful business even before Islam. He was the first male Muslim who accepted the Islam. When the Prophet reached him with the message of Allah, he showed faith in God and became Muslim. He also played a pivotal role in spreading the message of Allah with the other people. Even he used his wealth to free slaves who were tortured for accepting Islam, like Hazrat Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who later became the first Muslim of Islam. Companionship with Prophet. The companionship of Hazrat Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu reached its peak at the time of migration from Makkah to Medina. When the Quraysh united to kill the Prophet, he was chosen as a companion of Prophet from journey from Makkah to Medina. On the way, they hid in a cave. There he showed his profound love for Prophet by protecting him from harms. Even he broke the snake's burrow with his foot and protected the life of Prophet, peace be upon him. His faith was not only verbal but was evident from his actions and loyalty with the Prophet, peace be upon him. Contribution to Islam. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique was the biggest supporter of Prophet during early days of Islam that laid the foundation of initial Islamic community. In the Battle of Badr, he participated physically with great courage in the Battle of Uhud and Hunain. His steadfastness was a source of courage for other Muslims. Beside this, his major role in every battle was that his financial support. In the Battle of Tabuk, he donated his entire wealth and left nothing for his family but faith in Allah. Caliphate of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique became Caliph after the demise of Prophet, peace be upon him. He was unanimously chosen as a Prophet or as a Caliph. When he became Caliph, the Muslims were engaged in disarray. He united the Muslims and won the Rida Wars. His another main work was that he started the compilation of Holy Quran. Thus, he played a vital role in safeguarding the divine revelation for the further generations. Despite immense responsibility, he governed with justice and according to the teachings of Islam. Lessons from the life of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique. The lessons which we learn from the life of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique are numerous. His humility, despite being the leader, gives us to remain modest at our achievements. His faith in Allah and his loyalty to the Prophet gives us the lesson of steadfast belief and trust. Moreover, his life gives us the lesson to embrace honesty, truthfulness and virtue. In short, the life of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddique is a paragon of honesty, truthfulness and eternal belief in Allah and loyalty to the Prophet, peace be upon him. May Allah help us to follow the footsteps of Prophet, peace be upon him, and his companions. Ameen. Thanks.